国际新闻来看，美国总统川普甲普廷通电话，两个人拢同意要针对俄俄战争的收束来进行谈判。最新的消息是，可能明仔会伫沙特阿拉伯来见面会谈。川普嘛表示讲，泽伦斯基应该嘛做伙来参加谈判，欧盟是未加入。法国的外交部长嘛表示讲，欧洲国家的领袖今仔会伫巴黎来召开紧急峰会，来讨论俄俄战争甲欧洲安全的议题。
美国总统川普结束行程，演出空军一号了后，回应俄乌和平谈判问题，表示伊相信真紧就会甲罗西亚总统普丁会面，讨论安怎结束俄乌战争。也佮讲，乌克兰总统泽伦斯基也会参与会谈。
I think he wants to stop fighting. They have a big, powerful machine. You understand that? And they defeated Hitler and they defeated Napoleon. You know, they've been fighting a long time. They've done it before. And but I think he'd like to. I think he would like to stop fighting.
不过，乌克兰政府高层表示，几乎并无需要参加伫沙特阿拉伯举行的多边会谈。泽伦斯基17到阿拉伯联合大公国访问，强调即马上重要就是互更较侪红掠去的人转来，甲各项人道主义计划。未来几日，伊也要访问土耳其、沙特阿拉伯等国。 不过，并无计划会见美国甲罗西亚官员。
It will reach a point when if it's real negotiations, and we're not there yet, but if that were to happen, Ukraine will have to be involved because they're the one that were invaded, and the Europeans will have to be involved.
川普伫无事先甲欧洲盟友乌克兰协商的情况之下，甲普京通电话，互各界拢真惊吓。川普任命的俄乌问题特使也表示，欧洲未伫和平谈判中占有一位。
The answer to that last question, just as you framed it, the answer is no. The answer to the earlier part of that question is yes. Of course, the Ukrainians are going to be at the table.
面对孤立的状况，法国国长证实，欧洲主要国家领袖17会伫巴黎召开紧急峰会，包括英国首相斯凯尔、德国总理肖兹、北约秘书长鲁迪、欧盟执委会主席冯德莱恩，甲意大利、波兰、西班牙等国领袖拢会参与讨论俄乌战争甲欧洲安全议题。公司新闻，陈伟宁编译。